main door of the V. This is just like a little entrance. Some seating here. Some benches. Put some horns on the wall to hang your coats if you like. Now we're going to go into the main lodge area. Right here we got a nice pellet stove to keep it nice and cozy warm. We have a media room right here. We do have Wi-Fi. A little desk and a little private cove sitting. Hello, Larry. Walk in here, we got our library area. We got the Paul Bunyan table set here. Is another set of stairs that also goes to the dance hall. Here is another picture of the main lodge.
That's a nice shot right there. You know, that is just gorgeous, isn't it?